Hi everyone, it's Natalie from nellydesign.com. Today we'll be making this crocus flower. It's my favorite flower, and if you want to know why, you can go check out on my blog. I'll show you why. And of course I have the SVG file for you in Nelly Design's library. So we're going to be making it in felt. But I want you to stay till the end of the video because I have a little surprise for you. And I'll tell you right at the end. So first off, I have some felt that I bought. This is craft felt and it is acrylic felt. And the other kind of felt that I have is a Cricut felt, and it is a bit thinner and you can see through it more, and really it's thinner and less flexible than acrylic felt, as you can see in the images. Also, when you use it on your mat, the acrylic felt will leave a lot of residue even after you washed it. It's kind of incredible. So what I did, I used some protective sheet that is sold at the dollar store, and I use it as a backing for my felt. So it was really a great idea that I had because it did cut anyway and it saved my mat. So for this craft, I'm going to be using the wire that I had. I have no clue where it came from, but I had that lying somewhere. If you don't have any wires, you could use some toothpicks or even some skewers from your kitchen. So first take this yellow piece that you cut with your Cricut, and yeah, you're gonna need a glue gun too, of course. So you're gonna add some glue. What you want is really that the yellow pieces you will wrap it around the wire, and you want it to go all the way around. So you wrap it like this, you turn, and you're gonna need to add, I'm gonna need to add more glue right here because I want it to go all the way around, just like this. Okay, so it's all the way around. Now you're gonna need your scissors and you're gonna cut those little slices of felt so that it makes the top of the flower. Just eyeball it, no stress. And later on we're gonna place it a bit better than this. I'll show you how. So the center of the flowers is made with those three little leaf or petals, I don't know how to call them. We're going to be gluing them all around it. So now I have no more glue. Okay, here it is. So like I said, just add some glue and put it all around the yellow at the same height. The bottom of the little leaf, the little yellow leaf needs to be at the same height as the other yellow center. So we're gonna put some glue almost to half of the petal from the base. And then you're gonna wrap it around. You need the petal to be, the base of the petal to be at the same height as the base of the yellow center. Right here. So you're gonna wrap it around and turn it so it fits around. I don't know about you, but this web is killing me. So let's continue. We don't want the little yellow petals to be glued to the white petals, so maybe a bit less glue than I said before for the three petals that are going to be in the center. So let's do and maybe just put some glue to the smaller part of the petal right here. That will be better, because just for the 3 first petal, the other petals they're going to be in the outside of the flower. The 3 other ones, you can put more glue so they stays like together, they don't go apart. You really need to squeeze it like that to make the petals stay together, so the flower is really more close. This kind of flower is really close, so you see just right here I need to put a little bit more glue so it stays together. The petals are holding together, they're not dropping. This is pretty good for me. I think I like it. Now you're going to say, Natalie, you forgot to give us a piece to cut. No, 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 I didn't. I want you to use your leftovers. So instead of cutting a rectangle with your Cricut, which is pretty basic, you're gonna use your scissors and use the leftover you have, like on the side of this felt. It could be totally perfect, and you're gonna cut a part. Even if it's not straight, don't worry about it. Just use your scissors and cut a little part. This is gonna be what you need to wrap it around the flower to hide the glue. So I like to be thrifty like that. So the trick is that you want to hide all this glue that you can see, and wrap the flower really tightly so to make sure the petals don't fall outward. So like this, put a bit of glue, just turn around and really squeeze hard. So you wrap it and you pull at the same time. So the final step are the 3 green leaves, and you're gonna be putting them around the flower again. So I like to put the leaves right in between 2 petals. You don't really need to do this, it's just me. I'm a bit obsessive like that. I need everything to be equal. Okay, last option I want to show you. If you think those petals and the leaves are a bit stiff, you want to shape them like you want, I bought a product that is pretty cool. It's called Stiff and Quick, and it will help you manipulate and make the flowers. You will be able to form the flowers the way you want it. You can see this one is a bit stiffer, and this one is really, the one we just made is really soft, and the other one is really stiffer. It's because I use this product on it, and you can spray it on. You might need more than 1 layer. What you just do is you just go ahead like this, and you just spray it on. Now don't be over your mat like this, just put it somewhere safer, and you just spray it on. You wait about an hour for it to dry, and during that time you'll be able to manipulate the flower and just place it as you want. Okay, my final objective I want to show you. I want to put these flowers into my wreath I made a couple of years ago, I think, with terracotta pots. I'll link to it on the description. And you see it's been outside almost for 2 years now, except in the winter, and I had some dollar store flowers in it, and well, the wind took care of them. I think I lost them, most of them. So I'm gonna be putting some green foam in it, flower foam. I'm gonna be cutting some pieces and put it in, and then I'm gonna put some moss. And oh, this is nice. It's still there. Okay, so I'll be probably cutting the wire and putting it in there, but I have lost my moss right now and I need to find it, so I'll show you a picture when I have it done. Now, for my final surprise, what I want to show you is that you might not have this felt at home, so I want to make it with you in paper. And I'll be trying to make a Facebook Live with you with this flower, with this paper, same SVG file, but with papers. And as you can see, it is pretty darn cute. I even think I like it better than with the felt. So I hope you'll be there joining me, and we'll be making this flower together. And so just join my Facebook group. My objective is that you stay home and you use what you have on hands. So I hope you have a paper. It doesn't have to be purple. You just use whatever you want. And we'll be making this flower together and bring a little spring in your home. So I hope you'll be there.